ఎఫ్ఎండి జీ నాయకుడు చెప్పిండు ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ స్పీకర్ చెప్పిండు.
I take the opportunity to speak on Telangana backward classes, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, reservation of seats in educational institutions and
एफएंडी जी आप बात करिए.
I would like to compliment the Congress government and the Chief Minister Janab Revanth Reddy Saab for bringing forward this historical bill to raise the quantum of reservation for BC, SC and ST, fulfilling the promises made by the Congress. The government has brought forth this bill based on the finding of the social, economic, educational and employment political and caste service to the report 2024. The Kamareddy BC declaration in the Congress Manifesto 2023 has promised that BC reservation will be increased based on the caste survey. The BC declaration had also promised that the BC reservation in the local bodies will be raised to 42% to provide new leadership positions for BCs. Moreover, the BC declaration promised that 42% reservation will be extended to the BCs in the government, civil contract and maintenance contract. The minorities declaration too issued that fair representation will be ensured for all the backward classes, including minorities in government, jobs and educational institutions and government welfare schemes. After the Telangana government has constituted the Telangana State Commission for Backward Classes, our party AMIM had made elaborate representation to the both of the commissions. We have demanded that the quantum of reservation for the BCs be raised to 50%, keeping in the view the huge population of BCs across the caste and communities. Proportions of the backward classes and backward Muslim to state population. As per the latest caste survey undertaken by the Congress government, the backward classes, including backward Muslims, constitute 56.33% of the state population. The BC population, excluding Muslims, that is 46.25% of the state population. The Muslim population stood at 12.56% of the state, BC Muslims 10.8% and OC Muslims are 2.48% of the state population. This means that out of the Muslim population, 80.25% are BCs and only 19.75% are OCs. However, our party demands that out of the enhanced 42% reservation of the BCs, 34 shall be set apart of the A, B, C, D categories and 8% for the E category for the admissions in educational institution and for appointment of public service and posts. I welcome the decision of the government to raise the quantum of reservation for the BCs in all the local bodies, Panchayat Raj and urban local bodies to 42%, since the proportions of BCs to total population has been asserted to be 56.38% as per the caste survey. This is the only way to do the justice to the BCs and empower them politically in real sense. While the backward section of the Muslim communities are included in the overall BC list, in many states, in union territories, they are provided reservation in separate groups in 7 states in the country, namely Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Manipur and West Bengal. Reservation of backward sections of Muslim community range from 3% to 12% in these 7 states. In this backdrop, I welcome the historical bill introduced by the Congress government to raise the quantum of the reservation to 42% for BCs in admission in educational institutes and for the appointment in public service as well as in the elective post in all the local bodies, both rural and urban. I would request the government to introduce official amendment raising the reservation for SCs from 15% to 18% and for the STs from 10% to 12%. After the 105 Constitution of Amendment Bill, come out force in August 2021, the state are free to alter their state BCs list to raise the quantum of the reservation for the BCs. Hence, there is no need to refer the bill raising to BCs reservation to the President of India through the central government. I would urge the government to announce the time frame for the conduct of Gram Panchayat, MPTCs, ZPTCs and municipal election in the state since the term of the elected bodies, excluding the GHMC and the few other municipalities and municipal corporation are over. The Gram Panchayat are functioning under special officers since January 2024 and the MPP and ZPs from July-August 2024 and the municipalities and the municipal corporations since the January 2025. Our party support the bill on the BC, ST and ST reservations. I thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.